out in 4th place, but in no way ashamed. It was Nathan Phillips. Well done, Nate. He took 4th place. Third place, proving you can't keep an old dog down. Spencer Hargraves, insane surfing today. A good reminder of exactly why we love you so much, mate. Newquay's favourite. Second place, look at the smile on his face. You don't give a damn. These Stokes, second place for now against your wild competitor. Alan Stokes, Team Animal, doing your company proud, my friend. A great performance. And our 2001 championship crown later this evening. And for the champion, Reubin Pearce, they all politely waiting from step up number 1, number 2, and number 3. This is your champ. The Animal Newquay Open goes to Reubin Pearce. Step forward there, and up you go, boys. Reubin, Gabby to be pretty soon, not too long to go. Come on, Stokesy, come on, spinning up you get, boys. And
well done to all the competitors today. It was awesome. And yeah, thanks to my wife and all her support. She's at the back there. And yeah, just thanks to all the tour sponsors. Thanks for coming on board this year, and hopefully next year we can take it bigger and better. And well done to everyone. Thanks.